Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is using a while loop to update a hash. So I'm going to create my hash first, so I'm just going to simply call it names. And I'm going to add one name in there, Bill, and I'm going to give him an age of 67. Okay, I'm going to create a subroutine here called names. And under here we're going to create the while loop, while, and then we simply put 1 in here. So basically we're just going to be updating this hash until we say otherwise. So there's the while loop. And then we print a message to the user. Enter name. And we get the user input. It's going to be my scalar name. Assign it to standard input. So this will get the input that the user types in. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to do an if conditional. So if scalar name that we type in is equal to exit, then we're going to print a message to the user saying printing hash type in print hash. This is the name here of a new subroutine I'm going to be using, so it's called print hash, and then last to terminate it. Okay, so down here let's create a subroutine, pull that up there, and the subroutine is going to be called sub print hash. Okay, so once we do that, for the print hash, we're just going to put here I'm going to call this new names because I'm going to put it into an array. I'm going to assign it to the hash names, and then simply print scalar name and position 0 here, and then print scalar name and position 1. So we're going to print out those elements. Right, I'm going to go back up to here now. So I've got last, and underneath here I'm going to type in print enter age, we type in chom, so we get the user input. It's going to be my scalar age, assign it to standard input, right, I'm going to put scalar names here, and then scalar name. So this is how we input this into the hash, and then scalar age. Right, okay, I think I've got everything done there. Let's have a look. Okay, I've just moved this little bracket here, and I'm going to just modify this. New names. Okay, so it's going to be position 0, and print scalar new names, position 1. Okay, we should be good to go now. Save it. What we need to do before we can run it is we need to call the program, so I'm going to call it names. Let's run it. Okay, so here we go, we're in business. Enter name, Sid, 56, Joe, 89, and then exit. There we go, printing the hash. We got Sid, printed the first 2 elements there, so we've got Sid and we've got the age here. Right, let's have a look. Let's do that, and let's print the hash. Print the full hash out. Let's say new names. Okay, let's save that. Let's run it. Okay, so Joe 44, Peter 7, Sid 99. Exit. Okay, so we've done the first 2 here, and Bill's been moved up to the next position. So we've got Peter, we've printed position 0, position 1 here, so Peter 67, and we see the hash now, which has been updated. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.